You got a quick look at this slide in the last section. When you're talking about complete proteins, they are considered high quality, and that is because they contain all of the essential amino acids that you need to have normal metabolic functioning. In general, animal proteins are complete proteins, and therefore they are considered high quality. Yes, that includes dairy. In general, proteins you get from plants are considered lower quality because they are not complete. So what does that mean? It means that they do not contain all of the amino acids that you need to function correctly metabolically. So they're not complete. Plant proteins will also, plants will also offer less protein per weight. So how do vegetarians get complete proteins? They're going to combine different plant proteins that have different and complementary amino acid sequences. And that allows them to obtain all of the amino acids that they need to stay healthy. The concept is mutual supplementation. So you combine two protein foods in a meal so that each protein source provides the essential amino acids that's lacking from the other protein source. It's a great strategy because it brings complementary proteins together, and it allows you to have all of the amino acids you need to function metabolically and stay healthy. So, classic example, beans and rice. Another example, peanut butter on wheat. Those foods provide a sufficient and balanced array of amino acids that you require for your metabolism. Please note that it is not always necessary to have balanced amino acid intake in every single meal. So you don't have to panic and think, oh my gosh, I'm eating beans this meal and I don't have any rice. What am I doing? It's okay. When protein intake is varied and your energy intake is sufficient, you should be good to go. Nice little video. So what about digestibility? The best, no, I'm hesitant to say that. I think the right word really is ideal. In a perfect world, a complete protein can be easily digested, and it'll provide all of the amino acids you need. Those types of proteins are considered high quality. The digestibility of a protein is going to depend on the protein source and what you're consuming with it. So when you're taking a look at different proteins, the digestibility of animal proteins tends to be pretty high, over 90% or over. Plant proteins are less digestible, 70-ish% to 90-ish%, because they're combined within plant cells, and those plant cell walls have fiber. And that fiber is resistant to digestion because we are not cows and we do not have the appropriate enzymes to break those down. You can break some of it down, but not all of it down. So we have this concept of a reference protein, and that is one, generally eggs, that has been tested in order to show that it is the most complete and the most digestible protein. We compare all other proteins against that. And egg protein is usually used as a standard. It's given a reference value of 100. The quality of the other proteins that you're eating are going to be determined against the egg and that reference value of 100. Because eggs are eminently digestible and have and are complete proteins. In the next section, we're going to talk about various health-related issues associated with protein. So stay tuned for that.